came to win, to fight, to conquer, to thrive. I came to win, to survive, to prosper, to rise, to
Pagpatuloy sa paglipad sa mundong ito, tayo ay di kalidad. Ang ating tagumpay na hinahangad dahil sama-sama ito ay natupad. Grabe, mataas mo na, di mapigilan. Mga kanta ang pinakikinggan, yung hindi ka pinagmamislan. Kahit artiyan kinagigiliwan, dahil sa iyo kami ay nabuo. Ang ating bantayo ay nahihitayo. Yes sir Dan, salamat sa inyo. Salamat sa pagkaguyod ng grupong ito.
I can't win, I will never be the same without you, without you.
I am lost, I am vain, I will never be the same without you, without you.
Stronger, never been happier when you came into my life. Spoke to a place where acts and vibe I hope even higher. Can't keep a life without you in the future. I wish I didn't get used to this. I wish I never get used to feeling the best because I want to if I'm losing you. When I'm breaking, lose or faint, listen to me now. What am I gonna do? Can I figure my life without you? Tell me how to live life independently from the one giving you happiness. So well, life is a puzzle.